Panda got a fight with the cookie. The cookie exploded all over his face. Woo, baby, look at that face. Do you feel something on there? Does it feel funny right there? Just something right there. You got a little itchy right there. What is that? What is all over your face? Look like you grew a beard and a mustache. Where's your fingers? Let's see the fingers. Oh my goodness. Chocolate fingers. Chocolate face. Yes. Is that all you have to say for yourself? Bye-bye. Chocolate face.